Hi, I'm Veronica Wasek with the 5minutebookkeeping.com blog, where we show you how to minimize bookkeeping and maximize profits. One of the most important things that you can do in your business is to engage with your bookkeeping in just 5 minutes a day. And I talked in another video about the fact that the biggest mistake that small business owners make when they work with their bookkeeping is actually to not do any of their bookkeeping. And that's why, that's because they're putting it off. They're waiting till they can have lots of hours available to work on it. And it is very difficult for any of us to block out several hours to devote to work on anything, let alone our bookkeeping. So the best thing that you can do is to work on your bookkeeping just 5 minutes a day. And what you can do is work on the bank feeds. So if you're using QuickBooks Online, which is the software that I specialize in, if you're using QuickBooks Online, and you've connected QuickBooks to your bank and credit card accounts, then what you can do is to work with those downloaded transactions, or what we call the bank feeds, and categorize each of those transactions. And you'll see how you can actually get it done in 5 minutes a day. So whether it's first thing in the morning or around lunchtime, either log into your QuickBooks Online or go to your QBO app and just categorize that those expenses, and you'll see how easy it is. So again, to work on your bookkeeping, the best thing you can do is work on it 5 minutes a day and work on the bank feeds. I'm Veronica Wasek with the 5minutebookkeeping.com blog. Subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, like this video, and visit my blog at 5minutebookkeeping.com.